Howdy ho, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. I'm Tall Mike. It's Thursday, November 12th. We got good news today. Good news. 709,000 new jobless claims. I guess that's good news. They expected 730,000. It's crazy to me that we can just keep this number of jobless claims going. I would think we're going to run out of people that have jobs. Every week. This has been going on for about 8 months now, let's call it. 700, 800, 900,000 a week, every week. Now what we're going to talk today about is cannabis ETF and marijuana stocks. And this kind of gave me a flashback to my high school days. There I was running from the police. Me, Tall Mike, a basketball player on the basketball team. I'm supposed to be in the library studying for my final exams. But what happened? A couple of my friends came by with a bag of weed. I've never smoked marijuana in my life, but they convinced me to go to the park with them and smoke some weed. It sounded like a good idea at the time, but when we got to the park, apparently a couple of police officers saw some kids that were supposed to be in high school, supposed to be in school, and here we are in the park. Anyways, they came running towards us. We dumped a bag of weed in the garbage can. We took off running, right? We jumped over the chain link fence, jumped in the Camaro, jetted out of there. We made a clean getaway. Oh, thank goodness. I was worried. I was going to be kicked off the basketball team. I was worried I was going to be suspended from school. What would my parents say? Would I even go to jail? Fast forward 50 years. 50 years ago that was about. Well, today cannabis and marijuana are legal in many states. Many states you don't even... I guess you need a doctor prescription. They're kind of like a pharmaceutical drug now. And where I live, I could probably walk to 4 different dispensaries. And when you stand in line there, they hand out free samples for you. I don't know what type of pharmacies they are, but today marijuana is pretty legal. Let's talk about it a little bit. I bet you didn't know that there's a cannabis ETF. That's right. This is a ETF, an exchange-traded fund, made up of marijuana stocks. Right now, marijuana stocks are in play. Now, why? Why are they in play now? They're in play because of the election. Many states voted in marijuana stocks. The legalization of marijuana, which means the marijuana stocks. Look at this. The ETF was at $8. It shot up to $13. That's a huge move. A huge move. Now, this ETF, THCX, is trading down around the $10.50 level, let's call it. A little high, we may pull back a little bit, but I'm telling you, marijuana stocks are in play right now. A lot of day traders are day trading marijuana stocks. Now let's take a look at the favorite day trading stocks of day traders right now. Oh, it's Tilray. Tilray, when it came public a few years back, it came public around $17. Maybe $20, but it went from $20 to $300, and then it fell all the way back down to $4. $300 down to $4. But look it doesn't matter where it's been. It matters where it's going. Now, if you notice the bounce off this $4.50 level, we've been going up. Now right here, we had the election. Right here. It kind of spiked up before the election, but during the election, many states, 3 or 4 of them, they legalized marijuana. So what happened? It actually went down to the 50-day moving average. Now, why did it go down? It went down because the Democrats didn't sweep the Senate. If they'd swept the Senate, it would have gone up, and they felt that was more important to get it legalized all across the U.S. Right now, it's legalized on a state-by-state basis. But the very next day, the stock just took off like a rocket ship. It went from $6 to $8 to $12. Day traders are in this. In one day, okay, I actually had a couple of options on it, if you can believe an option on a $6 stock. The options were 50 cents. All right, so the option was at 50 cents down here around the $6 level, and it shot up, and I actually got out of those options around the $10 level. So $6 to $10. Now that's not even a double, but the options went up 400%, over 400%, almost 500%. Okay. Now I kept going on me. I was going, oh my goodness, I wish I had stayed in those options because it went up to $12. But that same day when it hit $12, I go, this is crazy. You know, it's just, I'm going to put options on it. So I put options in the same day, and it pulled all the way back down here to 950. I took them off. I should have held those too, because look at, we're down here at 750 this morning. We opened at down below 750, and we're already back above $8. Day traders are just playing this. They're buying it, they're selling it, they're buying it, they're selling it. Now, will we get back to the $6 level? I don't know. I got a feeling we won't. We went from 6 to 12. 50% retracement of that. That's a $6 move from 6 to 12. 50% retracement would pull us back to the $9 level. And we're down here at $8. That's, a 60% retracement. I think that this Tilray, I think it's going to go to $15. I think it's going to pass by that $12 and go to $15. I do have options on it right now for full disclosure, and it could get back here to $6. I'd love that to happen. I'd reload. Right now I just have a couple of them. I got a couple of options on this going out till end of December, I think it is. But options on Tilray. It's what I'm doing. This is not financial advice. This is gambling. Tilray is gambling. You are gambling on this. This thing right now is in play. Day traders are all over it. They're getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. Anyways, I'm taking a shot. I do have some long-dated call options on. Let's take a look at another one here. This is Aurora Cannabis, ACB. Man, this was down here at $4, shot up almost to $15. $4 to $15. That's almost a four-bagger. Over 3, right? All right, so we went from $15 back down to below $7. Wow. Day traders jumping all over this one also. You can take your pick. I don't have a preference. These are two of the best plays in the marijuana space. ACB and Tilray. T-L-R-Y. ACB, T-L-R-Y. These are strictly, purely gambling. You could lose all your money if you gamble in these stocks on options. These stocks are probably not going to zero. They're in play right now. A lot of states are going to legalize marijuana because they need the tax revenue. States are broke. They need money, and they're going to get money by legalizing marijuana and taxing the crap out of it. This is what I do. I look at charts. I'm a chartologist. I'm Tall Mike. Go to stockmarketgambler.com. I'll give you my chart secrets for free. If you like this information, if you found this helpful at all, go ahead, hit the like button. Why not? Give me a like. YouTube likes it when I get a like. But tomorrow I'll be back. We'll have another conversation. Maybe you can subscribe, and we can do this every day that the stock market's open. I love the stock market. I'm Tall Mike. Get out there, do some trading.